Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Dell docking station is connected to your laptop through USB-C, but your laptop is not charging, it can be confusing because everything looks properly connected. You might still be able to use ports, monitor or keyboard, but the battery level does not increase at all. This usually means the docking station is connected, but power delivery is not working correctly. The issue can come from the power adapter, cable compatibility, or laptop settings. Since USB-C charging depends on correct power output and supported cables, even a small mismatch can stop charging completely. Many users think the dock is faulty, but in most cases it is a setup or connection issue. It is important to check all parts carefully in the right order. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Dell docking station not charging a laptop with USB-C. Try these. 1. Connect the Dell docking station power adapter properly to the Dell docking station and power outlet. 2. Use a compatible USB-C cable to connect the Dell docking station to your laptop. 3. Check the USB-C port on the Dell docking station and your laptop for any dust or damage. 4. Restart your laptop while keeping the Dell docking station connected. 5. Verify charging support settings on your laptop connected to the Dell docking station. 6. Confirm the laptop starts charging when connected to the Dell docking station.